I just wanted to show you the new Lexmark machines that have come out. There's something quite unique about them. Normally when you need to do a folding capability, you've always got to buy the big finisher on the side. The new model that's come out is the only one that actually has a paper folding unit within the specs of the machine, like the width of it. So it's very unique, so you don't have to go buy this massive stacker on the side, which sometimes can be the price of the machine. It's just adding in a little addition. It stays nice and sweet inside the machine. And then this one's actually just tri-folding the menu for me at the moment. So if you're someone who needs to do Z-fold, tri-fold, all your fancy folds that you want to do, if you're a shire that needs to do thousands, or mailing house, or a restaurant that needs to print your menus and fold, these are the most economical way to get the folding done, not having to invest in massive finishing units, and then also keeping it in a nice kind of width there. So yeah, if you have those requirements, then I would probably search for someone who does a Lexmark machine and enjoy the investment.